Ladies and gentlemen, your next bout in the light flyweight division, another 10 rounds of boxing. Introducing first, fighting out the red corner tonight, wearing red, white, and green. Official weight, 106 pounds. From SGG Stable of Cebu City, ladies and gentlemen, Fabio Marfa. And his opponent in the blue corner, wearing black and weighing 106 pounds, from Aljo Haro Stable of Binangonan, Rizal, ladies and gentlemen, Denver Coelho. Judges for this contest, Ricardo Caldas, Romy Yulo, Salvador Lopez. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, referee Virgilio Garcia.
Coelho ba? No, Coelho.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as the third man in the ring, Virgilio Garcia is about to give his final footnotes. Boy, we've got a golden boy atop our ring. But the more important note is that both fighters are rated contenders.
Yes. Si Denver Coelho po, yan ang nakaitim sa inyong TV set. Bata po ng Aljo Haro Stable. May 18 laban, 11 panalo, 3 talo, 4 na tabla. Ang height po niya 5'2", tumimbang po sa kahapon ng 106 pounds. 20 anyos po siya. Kanya pong kalaban, isang veterano, si Fabio Marfa ng SGG Stable ng Cebu City. Yan po ay bata ni Sammy Gilioani. Yan po ang nakapula, puti at saka berde. 4 na laban, 24 na panalo, 18 talo, 4 na tabla. Ang height po niya 5'2", tumimbang po rin sa kapon ng 106 pounds, 27 anyos po.
Si Sammy Gilioani ng Cebu. At very busy concern sila sa future fight ni Bumbum, ano? Sa August ang slate yata eh.
Oo, kausap ko nung Lunes si Sammy Gilioani. Although may balita na ang laban ni Bumbum ay gagawin sa Sacramento.
Oo.
Pero
ang katotohanan?
Pero ang sabi niya, hindi pa sigurado yan. Baka malagay pa rin daw dito sa Pilipinas.
Alam mo naman, ang kwentuhan, hindi pa sigurado. Nagkakapirmahan eh, di ba?
Sana po dito magawa at mapanood po natin. August 11 po yon. Uy, mga binibitawan po sumbak ni Coelho, ha?
Yung Ponce de Leon yun ang tumalo kay Jerry Peñalosa ng huli. Samantala, we've got Coelho trying to pin Marfa into that deep corner there, and that's a neutral corner. Oh boy, some shoving and pushing early on in the first round.
Malalakas po binibitawan ni Coelho.
Coelho does not like going, you know, bagamat taga Binangonan siya, baka gusto na umuwi ka agad, ano ha? Mamadali.
Well, mamaya po tapos ang laban, may special na po tayong gagawin diyan sa tungkol kay Coelho. Ito pong Fabio Marfa, veterano po ito ng maraming laban, 46, nakalaban na po ito sa lahat ng lugar dito po sa Asia.
27 years old na rin siya, no? Halos nakababata niya kapatid itong si Coelho, ano ha?
20 anyos lang itong Coelho. Baka naman yan, lumakas itong Coelho at gumaling dahil sa kanyang gold na buhok.
Parang yung mga Greek gods nung araw.
Oo. Yan ang pinawa ng bigla.
Parang yan lang? Yan lang? O, di ba? Gawin mo na lahat. Huwag mo lang galawin yung buhok, ha?
Oo, medyo.
Sumunto ka na dyan kahit saan. Huwag lang yung buhok. Oh, Marfa is in trouble. Coelho packed na wallet there.
Well, yung Coelho, nung huling laban ito, personal knockout din kay Carlos Bizares. Doon po sa PSA, promotion ng Pieza Pisciana. O dito po, nakatawa po sa atin si Fabio Marfa, sinasabi, hindi ako groggy.
Okay, let's find out how that adds up to in the second round.
Yan po si Aljo Haro na medyo nakatangang po sa kanyang ulo.
Ano ano yun? Anong bagong post ba yun?
Oo, bagong post.
Aljo Haro, Lito Mondial,
Si Peter Bowman,
kaibigan ni
Rod Rosario na
Rod.
nagpakain sa amin kanina. Tapos lomo natin, tinignan, tama po doon si Coelho na napakagandang mga tama.
Ganda ng halo-halo special niya rito. No? Papasok na po ang second round. Habang nag-uumpisa ang second round, pasasalamatan po natin ang ating mga kaibigan. Ginebra, San Miguel, bilog ang mundo. Itong Ginebra, San Miguel, as far as ito, one of my first commercials ito. Yung walang katapat, alala mo yung commercial na yan?
Oo, at samplatit ang mani.
Yan, mga ganyan. Ginebra, San Miguel Blue, Star Margarine, San Mig Coffee, PCSO, and Thunderbird Resorts in Binangonan, Rizal. Action picking up here, Moy.
Matapang po yung Marpa.
Oo.
Pag hindi mo nakuha ng maaga yan, baka...
Investment boxing na, oh.
Oo. Matibay din naman yung Marpa.
Marami na rin boksingero ito si Aljo Haro, ano?
Marami to, si Aljo.
Mga 40, something like that? Siguro.
Less na lang siguro. Less.
Hindi kasi dami ng ilorde yan. Oh! Marfa again pin, but is he able to wiggle out of this similar to what he did in the first round? And I think he can manage to eke out of that troublesome situation. Did wiggle out, managed to get out of trouble. Marfa.
Uy, tumama po.
Yes. Well, has some good shots, ha? Maganda bibitaw, ha?
Ang kaliwete po diyan si Coelho. Ang kanan po diyan si Marpa. Uy, ang ganda na tumama yun.
Marfa reeling back. Is this going to be a short fight? And it's stopped.
Alam niyo po, ang importanteng balitang sasabihin ko sa inyo, si Denver Coelho po ay lalaban ng championship sa June 29 doon po sa vacant title sa junior sa mini flyweight.
Kaya binilisan niya to.
Kaya binilisan niya ito.
Para
Hindi ko po sa inyo masabi kanina dahil naglalaban pa kung anong mangyari sa laban. Yung pong nanalo siya, si Denver Coelho po ay lalaban ng mini flyweight championship ng Pilipinas.
ito, natapos ka agad no, ha?
Oo, yan po slow mo natin. Tingnan niyo po.
And in the interest of protecting the boxer, referee Garcia stepped in because Marfa was unable to throw any more punches.
At saka solid Puro solid ang tumama
Second point, hindi na rin siya makatakbo out of that predicament.
Right. Oo. At saka kanina, first round naman, kita na yun, tumama yun sa katawan.
Ako ang attitude ko lagi, having done this with you over the last 7 years, it is never too early for the referee to step in.
Right.
Whether he calls it wrong or right, but it's never too early. There's always another day for another fight anyway.
Saka yung nangyaring yan, talagang pang-awat.
Wala na.
Sunod-sunod naman talaga ang tama.
Wala na. Ano inaantay ng mamang nakabihis na gano'n? Magsasalita siya? Si Boy Villanera? Sige, pasa na natin doon.
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 1 minute and 52 seconds in round number 2 for your winner by technical knockout, Denver Coelho.
Well, yan po si Denver Coelho.
Making short work of a very game Fabio Marfa. He managed to shake off the cobwebs early on, but could not do so in the second round and mercifully being stopped by referee Garcia.
Well, in-announce na po na ngayon ni Aljo Haro ang makakalaban po ni Denver Coelho ay si Arman de la Cruz.
That should be a good one. And
Magandang laban po yan.
we look forward to that. And on that note, we bring to a close this episode of In This Corner. And we look forward to bringing more great fights, knockouts, knockdowns, and all the great moments of Philippine boxing that we can produce here on In This Corner.
And the winner for our best fight of the evening, may we call in Denver Coelho and Fabio Marfa. Palakpakan po natin si Denver at si Marfa para sa best fight of the evening. Supporting main event, best fight of the evening. wearing black and weighing 106 pounds from Aljo Haro Stable of Binangonan, Rizal. Ladies and gentlemen, Denver Coelho. Judges for this contest, Ricardo Caldas, Romy Yulo, Salvador Lopez. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, referee Virgilio Garcia.
Coelho ba? No, Coelho.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
And green, official weight, 106 pounds. From SGG Stable of Cebu City, ladies and gentlemen, Fabio Marfa. And his opponent in the blue corner.
The third man in the ring, Virgilio Garcia, is about to give his final footnotes. Boy, we've got a golden boy atop our ring. But the more important note is that both fighters are rated contenders.
Yes. Si Denver Coelho po,
Ladies and gentlemen, your next bout in the light flyweight division, another 10 rounds of boxing. Introducing first, fighting up the red corner tonight, wearing red, white,